ये है
चिकन बिरयानी,
ये है
मटन बिरयानी,
नहीं, ये है लालच। Mohit likes his biryani the way the Nawabs did.
it should be, yeah.
Good. Are you missing the rice?
No.
No. Oh. This has a good amount of spice. And it's the kind of spice that hits slightly late.
हाथ से, चम्मच से, उंगलियों से खाओ।
मुंबई में अगर बिरयानी ट्रेल पे निकले तो शायद वो कभी खत्म ही नहीं।
Never, never.
So we'll take it a little slow and steady. आज हम दो अलग तरह की बिरयानी खाएंगे।
So lunch time है and अभी हम देखते हैं कि out of these two biryanis that we're going to try, which is better? This one or the one that we'll try later? That one. Let's go.
दोपहर में, लंच टाइम में, भीड़ में हम खाने वाले हैं बिरयानी ऑन द स्ट्रीट। ये है दम बिरयानी, लेकिन हम खाने वाले हैं
मलाई बिरयानी,
चिकन मलाई बिरयानी एट अब्दुल्लाज़।
तो ये है मलाई बिरयानी एंड मलाई बिकॉज वाइट ग्रेवी में बिरयानी है। इसको कहीं कहीं ये भी बोलते हैं सूफियानी बिरयानी।
सो इट लुक्स प्रीटी माइल्ड। ऐसे लग नहीं रहा है कि बहुत तीखी होगी, बहुत ज़्यादा मसाले होंगे, बट महक से ऐसे लग रहा है कि ये बहुत फ्लेवरफुल होगी।
यस। हाथ से, चम्मच से, उंगलियों से खाओ। It's hot.
It's delicious. And now I also know why the malai is called malai, because it's so smooth. The chicken is the texture of malai.
And I got a bone already.
So this is a biryani on the street,
Yep.
but very popular, right in the middle of the business district. Nariman Point में सड़क पर Abdul has been doing this for 7 years.
It's a tasty dish. It's not a biryani. So although पता है इसको layers में ही बनाया है, you know, slow cooked meat, half cooked rice, उसके ऊपर फिर gravy, फिर rice, but I feel, at least for me personally, it doesn't complete the whole feel of a biryani क्योंकि इसमें वो खड़े मसाले नहीं हैं, ठीक है, इसमें बेरस्ता नहीं है, और इसमें वो खड़े मसाले नहीं है, तो इसीलिए वो जो एक बिरयानी का एक जो पंजेंसी जो हैदराबादी बिरयानी की होती है, या तो फिर वो जो एक डेलिकेट फ्लेवर जो अवधी पुलाव में होता है, वो नहीं है। That is the only reason why it doesn't completely qualify as a biryani for me. But it's a very tasty dish.
So if you're ordering a malai biryani and not the dum biryani, then that's exactly what you'll get.
Yeah.
A malai biryani, rice with a malai chicken, and not the dum biryani with the flavored and fragrant spice.
And also it's not an experiment, मतलब सूफियानी बिरयानी होती है, तो इन्होंने वो रॉयल किचन से उसको फीड पे ले आए हैं, जो बहुत अच्छी बात है।
बहुत ही अच्छी बात है। And popularity देख के मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि the malai is as good or as popular as the dum.
It is.
It has a lot of takers.
Sorry. भाई थोड़ा सा ये मसाला डाल दो, थोड़ा, बहुत थोड़ा। हाँ बस।
And to make this a fair competition,
Yes.
Mohit is going to try the dum biryani.
You want to try some?
Yes. Ui, ये तो बड़ा गरम मामला निकला।
Full marks for it being hot.
This has a good amount of spice, and it's the kind of spice that hits slightly late. So first bite में पता नहीं चलेगा।
Again, it's spicy, but it's not a biryani.
All right then.
Biryani, boss.
Mohit likes his biryani the way the Nawabs did.
It should be, yeah.
So white chicken and malai gravies are an acquired taste, I would say. But जो नाम तुमने अभी बोला ना इसको, सूफियाना बिरयानी,
सूफियानी बिरयानी,
actually it's really suits because the whole mildness and the whole white purity of the whole concept. It's kind of Sufiana.
फेयर पॉइंट के रास्ते के बीच में दोपहर में अच्छा गरम खाना विद राइस, ताज़ा विद राइस एंड $90 फॉर हाफ अ प्लेट, जो काफ़ी है.
Yeah, I mean, look at my half plate. It's kind
Yeah,
of
yeah,
full.
it's wholesome.
And it has a fair amount of meat in a half plate. So I wouldn't expect far more than this for this biryani. So वो बिरयानी खाने के बाद we are here in Bhindi Bazaar to eat another different biryani, but it's very very different.
Why is it different? Because it's without rice.
A
So biryani without rice, exactly.
Yeah.
So it's a mixture of a lot of cultures from Bombay.
It's Mumbai's unique take on the biryani.
Yes, exactly. Chalo, let's go.
तो ये है,
पात्रा बिरयानी. Yes.
कितना अलग है ना?
अलग मतलब चावल नहीं है तो फिर अलग ही
ये
है.
बहुत ही अलग है क्योंकि जो हम नॉर्मली एज अ स्नैक खाते हैं, पात्रा, मराठी में जिसे आलू वड़ी भी कहते हैं,
Yes.
वो बिरयानी में है. ये मेरे को थोड़ा सोच के ही अजीब लग रहा है. यस. अब दिस इन अ बिरयानी इज समथिंग टोटली यूनिक.
तो अभी ये बफ है तो प्राची नहीं खाने वाली है, बट मैं तो खाऊंगा.
डेफिनेटली खाना
Yes.
और बोलना हाउ इट इज. बट हमको बताना चाहिए कि अगर आप ऑर्डर देंगे तो ये चिकन में भी बनता है और मटन में भी बनता है.
Absolutely.
टुडे बफ में ही बना है.
बफ में बना है. And so okay, so before we eat, so chunks of boneless meat is marinated, dry marinated, and then उसमें बघार डालते हैं जिससे उसमें फ्लेवर आता है. ये स्टीम पात्रा को कट करके उसको इसमें डालते हैं. बहुत हो गया अभी. I'm gonna eat.
How is it? I'm really tempted to eat this and I'm going to take another day, come back here and eat it when it's made in chicken. Oh, look at that.
Oh wow.
Good. Are you missing the rice?
No.
No. Oh, that's
The slight sweetness of the patra, अंदर थोड़ा सा जो हल्का स्पाइसी जो मटन ग्रेवी या मीट ग्रेवी होना चाहिए. I think this is a beautiful take on the biryani. No?
So while he's enjoying his riceless
Want help?
biryani, I'm just going to turn this into a riceless snack by dunking my patra in chutney. And this
Essentially, it's a farsan mart, so
chili. Yes,
फरसान
it's
तो
Firoz
मिलेगा ही.
फरसान मार्ट. So बिरयानी भी खाना है तो फरसान के साथ मिलेगी.
yes.
I can totally imagine how this must be going with the meat. And I'm definitely coming back on the chicken day or mutton day.
ये जो पात्रा बिरयानी है उसको आप प्लेन खा सकते हो, जैसे हमने नहीं, मैंने खाया. You can have it with bread, you can have it with roti, you can have it with puri, any other accompaniment you can have it with. और जैसे कि प्राची पहले बता रही थी ना, that the Mumbai take, which is the salli, the patra, in this biryani is worked really well. And a lot of people come here for breakfast to eat this. And if it makes sense, then we shall come here over and over again.
Yes, on a chicken or a mutton day, please. So we are now at our second place to try biryanis. This is Nizam's in Grand Road.
Grand Road. And abhi we are going to talk to Mohsin about this place.
So how old is Nizam?
3 years.
3 years. और स्पेशलिटी क्या है?
Specialty we have Hyderabadi dum biryani and chicken 65 Irani chai also.
So सारा मेन्यू हैदराबादी?
Hyderabadi.
पूरा
है,
हैदराबादी
obviously.
menu.
Nizam's तो
जी, जी,
obviously Hyderabadi.
जी.
सो मिनी हैदराबाद अगर आपको टेस्ट करना है तो यहाँ पर ट्राई कर सकते हो. लेट्स ट्राई.
Yes, let's try. तो अभी हम खाते हैं मटन और चिकन और मटन बिरयानी.
Yes, yes. Okay.
और एक 65.
Okay.
चिकन बिरयानी,
ये है
मटन बिरयानी।
नहीं, ये है लालच, क्योंकि हम यहाँ चिकन बिरयानी खाने
ये है जरूरत। It is required. Mutton biryani is required. But let's start. और एक काम करो, ये ले जाइए। ये नहीं चाहिए, उंगलियों से खाएंगे हम।
एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ की मोहित तुमने, ये वो काटा चम्मच भेज दिया। Succulent chicken, lots of flavored rice, mildly spiced for an Hyderabadi
हाँ,
preparation.
I was just going to say that. It is a biryani, but थोड़ा कम तीखा है। Maybe palate को मद्देनजर रखते हुए, बॉम्बे के palate
इस
को।
वजह से यहाँ पर एक मिर्ची का सालन दिया हुआ है, which I did not try.
But this is a biryani. And it's a damn good biryani. Fried onions के साथ। In my honest opinion, और हर्ष और मेरे पास अभी रेफरेंस पॉइंट भी है क्योंकि हमने अभी हैदराबाद में शूट किया था। I think the rice is a little overcooked.
तो अब मुझे पता चला कि मोहित is a biryani Nazi.
Absolutely.
He will analyze every grain of rice and then give his opinion. So I'm going to eat more and talk less in this one and wait for
No, you can
Mohit's
talk.
expert opinion.
You can talk. Slightly overcooked. Just check the rice.
Flavor is there, but
Flavor is there, but the
Flavor is there.
rice is.
yeah.
Okay, now I'm drawn towards the lalach, which is the mutton biryani.
The
Which
kache gosht ki biryani.
biryani Nazis will say that is biryani. Chicken biryani is a chota bhai.
Acha, by the way, the chicken, how is the chicken?
The
Cooked
chicken
well?
actually is well cooked.
Well cooked.
It's a huge jumbo
piece,
piece.
yeah.
But since this is a this or versus that episode, I would say my personal choice is the Malai chicken over this chicken, purely comparing the two chickens, not comparing the biryani rice.
Even I like the preparation of that chicken better, much better. But the rice over here is biryani rice.
तो वैसे तो हम चिकन बिरयानी कंपेयर करने निकले हैं, मगर लालच बुरी बला है और वो बला हमारे प्लेट पर है। बिरयानी मटन ही होती है।
हाँ। अब मैं सिर्फ मटन ट्राई करने वाला हूँ।
I think you don't need a biryani Nazi to tell you that the mutton biryani at Razam is outstanding.
Yeah, it's not outstanding. It's good. But I also feel the spices blend with mutton better than the chicken.
That's true.
Huh?
The taste of the meat in mutton lends itself much better to this peppery.
Exactly. And automatically when the mutton is mixed with the spices, वो spices का pungency level थोड़ा और
खुल जाता है.
खुल जाता है. Exactly.
The taste of the rice is also enhanced by the juices of the mutton.
Mutton, and absolutely right. So it's now time to give a verdict on this versus that. Malai biryani,
Chicken malai biryani was 9 on 10 for me.
7.5 on 10. Patra biryani was a solid 9 on 10. And
Not applicable.
not applicable. और ये वाली?
ये वाली was a 6.5 on 10.
I would agree, 6.5 on 10.
So this versus that.
Yes.
If you had to only eat one of the two biryanis, not counting Patra.
So it's a little confusing. Nizam's was a better biryani. The Malai biryani was it was a well-made dish. I would pick the Malai biryani.
I would pick Abdullah's Malai
Malai
biryani.
biryani also, yeah.
So this was our this versus that episode on biryanis, but biryani trail is never ending.
Never
so
ending.
if you have any suggestions, हमको episode 2 कहाँ पर करना चाहिए on biryani trail in Mumbai?
आप बताइए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब नहीं करेंगे तो मोहतरमा बहुत गुस्सा हो जाएंगे. She'll get very angry. On that note,
आते रहिए, खाते रहिए, पूछते रहिए.
खाने में क्या है? So before we pick this versus that, हम as per tradition क्या हुआ? What happened?
Nothing now. I'm on that चाबी के मुझसे हंसी नहीं रुकेगी.
So as tradition, before we rate the dishes,
कोई हंसो मत यार प्लीज.